So the ingredients are 1 pizza dough. You can use a pre-made pizza dough that you buy in the store. If you want to know the recipe of a homemade dough, you can click the link in the card or follow the link in the description below. 1 ball of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to use 1 clove of garlic just to flavor my pizza a little bit more. Some passata. We're going to use passata, but you can also use crushed tomatoes or whatever you like on your pizza as base. Some parmesan cheese, some dried basil, and some oregano. First, I'm going to flavor my passata with some garlic. I'm just going to crush 1 clove in there and give it a good stir. Of course, I'm not going to use the whole pot. You can store it for later or for more pizzas if you're going to make more pizzas, of course. There we go. So now it's time for the assembly. Take your pizza dough and spread a thin layer of passata on top. Now I'm just going to season it a little bit with some oregano and some basil. Of course, if you don't like it, you're just gonna leave it out. It's your own pizza, you can do whatever you like with it. If you want, you can use fresh basil, but I do not really like it, so I'm sticking with that. After this, take your parmesan cheese and grate a quite good amount on it. There we go. And now the final and the most important ingredient, the mozzarella cheese. You can slice it up into nicely thin slices, but I'm just going to pinch it apart with my hands and spread it around on the pizza. I just have a little bit of mozzarella cheese left. I'm just going to set it aside as a snack for later. There you go, my pizza is done. This is my preference. If you want to decorate it more with other stuff, go ahead and do it, but I just like it nice and cheesy. So preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius and put your pizza in there for about 7 to 8 minutes. 8 minutes later and your pizza is done. All you have to do now is just cut it up and serve.
Time for a test! Now Leo already stole a couple of pieces, but it will be the first time for me trying this. So let's do it. I just love pizza. And personally, for me, this actually just tastes as good as a regular cheese pizza in a restaurant. Better than a frozen pizza, definitely. So it's really, really delicious. And if you have the time on your hands, I would definitely recommend trying to make it yourself. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!